Ghee. Is it? Thank you. Editor. What else is there? Wow, thanks.
Mama and Papa.
Thanks. And what about Papa?
Illa Papa.
Illa.
And Abazu. This one for Zoo.
Thanks.
This is Pa.
Hmm.
Mama.
Is it?
This is Mama and Pa.
Hmm.
Abazu. This is Abazu. This.
What is that?
This one is Favuta.
Flower comes in? That is sabza seeds.
This some black favos, big favos.
Is it?
I see so much this. But this for the
How many strawberries you bought?
20.
Oh.
This is fun, this is Mama.
Is it?
But this and this.
Is that empty? What else is there in your other packet? Milk?
And all the
Show me. Do you want to take it out?
No,
No?
this is not happy food.
Milk is not healthy food, is it? It is healthy only.
This also says a bonus on it.
This is milk.
Baba.
This is red color milk.
Huh?
Red color milk.
Why is all this yellow color milk?
Mm-hmm.
This is glass.
Curd. Where is the curd? This one. Okay, so 1 curd, 2 milk, 1 ghee, strawberry, 4 banana, carrot, 2 breads and 1 sabza seeds. And coffee is coming on the way. It will come in another 5
And
minutes.
this is all the sabza.
Yes, that is sabza seeds or basil seeds. It is written. Can you see?
No, this is only favuta.
Flower come, is it? Okay.
Not sabza.
Not sabza seed. Flower come.
Hello. I think this is the one and this is Mama's face.
Listen. With the bread, we will make something sweet. Do you want to make?
No.
Yes, we will make. I bought you ghee, right? With ghee, bread and milk, I will make something. Do you want to help me out?
No, okay, only I want it.
You want to eat like that only? I will make something very yummy.
No.
Where is my scissors? I will make something. Do you want to help me out in that?